Our culture music dying. We hardly find people that want to pick up that because them say that is for olden days people, you know, they want to be modern, they want to be in the modern latest style. And we're like, cannot try to sing reggaeton because the next one them from next country they could beat me in reggaeton, but when you come in on my own culture music you have a hard time to. DJ!
The traditional music that's actually disappearing is what is referred to as the Maypole music. It's basically the musical composition utilized during the Maypole dance celebration of the rain season coming in. The Mayaya they call it, right? There was a commerce between New Orleans and Jamaica. So at that time in the 20s, hot jazz was thriving. That's ear instruments and stuff. And at the same time, the mento in Jamaica, the banjo, that was thriving as well. When those two hit Bluefields on the Caribbean coast through that trade, important trade route they had, it fused with our traditional composition that we had, our traditional donkey jawbone or stuff, or wari jawbone, or turtle back.
When it's a rundown, before the pot start to boil, you have to have the same level with the fish and the sauce. So when you boil, it go right down. That's what we call rundown. Because the song what I make is sing about rundown. So just what the song says, what we're trying to do, you know, to put it together. To be honest with you, this is the first time we got to do it with the different legendary them from here. We're going to continue this because he's a good way to unite our different songsters, the artists from here.
No culture, no autonomy, no culture. You know, if you don't have culture, then you can't see why you're struggling for. They used to look for us, especially when any culture event come up, put up our Maypole. But the next group come around and that way you start put us aside, I guess. No interest or no economical producer. We went down, we didn't have no support, so we just get stuck. We would like to see how we get together and push some more of the culture that we can show what our autonomy can do for us.
That's my culture, that's music. Music is my culture. Die meer zo'n voel is, to song by beat.
La música es un elemento que preserva identidad. Entonces, si nosotros no podemos seguir ejecutando o valorando o dando a conocer lo que es nuestra propia música de nosotros, estamos perdiendo el quienes somos nosotros.
we're gonna have moments like these a lot more, where we become more better and what we're doing still and pass it on to other people, you know. So I want to thank you plenty for coming through.
I will try my best for this to be at least one time for the month, right? So we can come together and we eat and we play some music and keep learning from each other, that our culture may grow.
By the music we'll manifest who we are and where we come from. You know, and it's good to keep that tradition. Keep it lively. No adulterate, nothing.
So,